Welcome to the intricate world of wood carving, where creativity meets craftsmanship. Let's explore the essential tools for detailed work: V-tools, gouges, and chisels. Power tools like saws and routers offer precision and efficiency in advanced wood carving. Before carving, planning and sketching are vital. A well-thought-out design is the foundation of any intricate piece. Start with broad strokes and gradually refine your work to achieve fine details. Testing and refining your work is crucial. Don't be afraid to make adjustments as you go. Prioritize safety with proper protective equipment and a well-organized workspace. Discover different wood carving types: relief, chip, and sculptural, each offering unique creative opportunities. Push your skills further with advanced techniques like marquetry, dovetailing, and wood turning. Enhance your skills through hands-on learning. Attend workshops and classes for invaluable experience. Explore online tutorials, videos, and publications to aid your continuous learning journey. Wood carving is about pushing creative boundaries. With practice and patience, you'll create stunning works of art. Embark on your wood carving journey and unlock the potential of this timeless craft. For more information and resources, click the link in the description. Happy carving!